All right, folks, Tuesday morning, welcome back. We're coming off a volatile session yesterday. We talked about this in the morning. Things are getting wild as tensions between Ukraine and Russia flare up. And what did we see on the back of that yesterday? Well, we saw the major indices trading down. Dow Jones was down over 400 points at one point in the day. Only the reverse course and come back closed down about $1.70 or so. So really volatile session. We're seeing that continue through the evening, albeit this time we're seeing those U.S. equity markets trade to the upside in a really big way. Why? Well, Russia has said that they're starting to pull some of their troops away from the Ukraine border, which has given this market a bit of positivity, and it's reacting to the upside as a result. So what are we seeing right now? We're seeing the Dow Jones up over 1%. That's 400 plus point move to the upside. S&P's up 1.5%. That's a 66-point move in the futures. And the Nasdaq up over 2% this morning, a 290-point move. Now, we're also seeing on this news, we're seeing dollar weakness, seeing strength in the euro, strength in the pound. We're seeing that 10-year up over 2%. And over in oil, we're seeing oil just get absolutely crushed after that run up yesterday, down over 3%. At the moment, trading just over $92 a barrel. Now, on the economic data front, we've got some inflation data out today in the producer price index. That's going to come out this morning. And again, right now, all eyes on Russia, Ukraine. So let's be ready. Everybody strap in. Let's trade it up today. Get in there, trade some price action. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.